Hi, Glenn here from GMT Pointing Specialists Limited. I just wanted to show you some of the different colours of sand that we get. This is local sand, quarry sand. This is it dry. This is it. I've soaked it. This has got bits of green flecks through it. Looks nice when the sun shines on it. This is what's in the house now. I've wet it. It's got little white stones in it, little black stones. So I've got that sand and this sand. This is the local quarry sand. It's got little black stones in it, and when you crush them, it's like a charcoal. So it's good sand. This is my favourite sand. This is a soft sand. Goes like a golden colour. They don't make that anymore. Well, they don't produce it anymore. And that's just your red and your white sand. I don't use that in lime pointing. But these are like sharp sands, local to the area. So when you're doing your project, find out what material was in the wall, and then just go to your local quarry, and they'll take a little sample down, and they'll tell you what it is. But always wet it, always soak it, so you know what's actually in it. Like these have got whites, they've got yellows, they've got blacks, and this has got bits of charcoal in it. Lovely stuff for pointing. We don't get the yellow sand up here that you get down south. I've pointed with the yellow sand when I worked in London, and I thought it was the oddest thing ever. But I just thought, there was a couple of people asked me about the colours of sand. One says the sand's filthy, but you can see it's not. It's all washed. It just looks darker than what they're used to. And in this house, it'll go like a light digestive biscuit colour, so it'll complement the brickwork, and that's what you want. You want to complement the bricks. You want to see the bricks before the pointing. So that's just a little bit of advice for beginners, just choosing the sands that they want. Thank you.